enjoying the last day of summer here in Rochester. So in this tutorial, we are going to make our 18-inch organza bows. So this is the smaller version. We will also have a 24-inch version. Let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial.
Step 1. Prep and cut the fabric. We are going to cut petal 1 first. The template for this flower is available on our website, twblooms.com. The link is listed in the description section down below. The template includes the link to the full tutorials with details. We'll do the same procedure for petals 2 to 4. Step 2. We are going to add the wires to the fabric. Do the same procedure for the rest of the petals. Now step 3. Heating up the edges. Using a lighter, you can heat or fire up the edges to burn the threads of the fabric to avoid fraying. A candle is also an option instead of using a lighter. Now step 4. Heating up the edges again, but this time to curl up or down the fabric. You see how the edges curl towards the fire? It creates this nice effect for the rose. Now do the same procedure for the rest of the petals. Step 5. Assembly time! Now it's time to assemble our organza rose. suggest having silicone finger protectors for your fingers during this part. I place the petal tooth in between the petals of the previous layer. Now we are going to work on petal 3. the last layer. Now let's add a coupling to attach the flower head to the pipe. Cut the excess stick. Feel free to cover this with green cardstock or crepe paper or whatever you prefer. And we are done with our 18-inch giant organza rose.